Welcome, welcome, or welcome back, beautiful Blue Jays, to this is part 3 of our vitamin supplements preparation. This time we have an all Adrien Gagnon variety. We have our vitamin D, of course, our hair, skin, and nail support, as well as our omegas for the eyes and the brain. And the broken pill divider that still serves its purpose. So we're going to start with opening up our daily cases. Set this down. I'm going to start with the vitamin D because in my body care empties video, I did allude to this. I've actually emptied 2 bottles by this time. Then it was only 1. And I actually needed to start a brand new bottle. Sealed for my protection. So, I'm gonna take one now. It's been a couple days since I haven't taken it because I've been waiting for this video. When I tell you that this is going to make you excited for your daily time to take your vitamins, this was the peach one that I just had. There's also strawberry. The red ones are strawberry and the orange are peach. These are the new natural flavors and colors. Helps to maintain strong bones and teeth and prevent vitamin D deficiency. It has 1,000 units of vitamin D3. It is a gummy. It is vegan, and there's no palm oil. It states that it helps with the building of strong bones and teeth, helps support immune function, helps to prevent vitamin D deficiency, helps in the absorption and use of calcium and phosphorus. For dosage of adults and adolescents and children 3 years and older, it says take 1. It is very hard to only take 1, but you just take 1 gummy daily. It has its non-medical ingredients, pectin, sodium, citrates, sugar, water is all in there. Peach, strawberry, mango. Ooh, mango. There is carnauba wax, citric acid, coconut oil, glucose syrup, natural colors, annatto, and elderberry juice. Amazing. Keep out of reach of children. Keep in a dry place below 25 degrees Celsius. So this one I absolutely love because I don't even need water with it. It's actually more of my daily snack time than something super health related, you know what I mean? Okay. It is very good for your health. Next, I have the Healthy Hair, Skin, and Nails with 2,500 mcgs of biotin. It is their Feminex line. There is 45 vegetarian capsules in here. Vegetarian, vegan. This one has 70, so I've had 140 or 141 of these. It promotes healthier skin and hair and stronger nails. Promotes healthy hair, skin, and nails, helps to produce and repair connective tissue. Biotin helps to strengthen and thicken nails, improve health of splitting and brittle fingernails, source of antioxidants. Dosage, adults take 1 capsule daily with food a few hours before or after taking other medications. Do not use this product if you are taking antibiotics or nitroglycerin. Consult a healthcare practitioner prior to use if you are pregnant or breastfeeding or have kidney stones. Biotin may interfere with laboratory tests of thyroid function. Discontinue use if a hypersensitivity, such as an allergy, occurs. Each capsule contains medicinal ingredients: vitamin A, vitamin B6, niacinamide, pantothenic acid, vitamin C, vitamin D3, vitamin E, biotin, copper, magnesium, selenium, zinc, L-cysteine, horsetail. Non-medicinal ingredients include, in alphabetical order, hypromellose, magnesium stearate, microcrystalline cellulose. Keep out of reach of children. Keep in a dry place below 25 degrees Celsius, sealed for your protection. Feminex is a registered trademark of Santé Naturelle. Period. So I think there's like 4 packs of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I was right. 4 packs, 3 packs of 15. Math is mathing. Inside, so I've already taken down 2. This is the last one in the box, but I have a few more boxes of these. Hair is still doing well, skin is still skinning, nails are a little bit broken, but it's cold and I've been washing my hands a lot at work. So here we are, the vitamin D and the hair, skin, and nail supplement. Now I have 140 of these omega-3, 6, 9 vitamins. I think pill sounds are so tingly. Maybe that's from my prior job at the pharmacy. So I had to create this series for the channel. This is for heart health. Essential fatty acids, promotes maintenance of good health with tangerine lime flavor. I could have never guessed, but that's okay. English. source of essential fatty acids for the maintenance of good health. Omega-369 contains cold pressed borage and flax oil and fish oil. The dosage for adults is to take 1 to 3 soft gels at mealtime. Do not use if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Consult a healthcare practitioner prior to use if you're taking anticoagulants. Very, very, very important. Do not take my word for this. Please make sure that you are checking this out with your healthcare practitioner, especially if you fall under any of these conditions for these supplements. So the medical ingredients are borage oil, flax oil, fish oil. The active compounds of omega-3 per soft gel, 6 and 9. They have those listed out. A little bit boring. We'll skip past that. And then the non-medical ingredients are gelatin, glycerin, natural tangerine / lime flavor, vitamin E, which is the D-alpha tocopherol. Keep out of reach of children. Keep in a dry place below 25 degrees Celsius. And sealed for your protection. I've already been using this. It says 1 to 3, so I take 2. Let's not overdo it. Let's not underdo it. I already take enough. I need to take 6 pills a day. 4 is enough. 2. And I'm about halfway through. You can never truly know or tell until you're about at the last few. Oh my gosh. I really made it through 100 plus soft gels. Before those try to escape. So now we are literally packed to the brim. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. While we're here with Dairway Tuesday, I'm actually going to take my hair, skin, and nails and my omegas as well. I have my water. This is your daily reminder to at least drink your water. These big pills, they're no fun, but sometimes it's not like that. Make sure to like this video if you did. Watch part 1, part 2. I will leave those linked in a playlist for you down below. Comment if you have any other fun supplements maybe that I could try. Trying to help each other in the excuse me. That's those omegas for you. Like, they just stay in your chest area, your throat, for a long time. Sorry about that. Share this video with your loved ones if you liked it, if you want them to stay up on their health game, friends and family, click the subscribe button to become a beautiful, glowing, radiant, stunning blue jay, and click the bell button to let you know when parts 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 come out. Have a good day, good night, whenever you are watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.